Today we're going to install a front splitter from MP Concepts on my S650. Right now my buddy's backing out his GT500 off of his lift. Please like, comment, and subscribe to follow this build.
What's that? I would put the rear up too, yeah.
Hold up. You gotta go this way.
Front splitters fit in there. Just got to put these bolts in. I didn't get many clips of the install, so here's a couple photos of how it turned out. It looks really good. Paint match bead locks. Got a little shifter mod.